In this video, I'm going to show you how I was able to get a debit card that could make online payment and pay for services online on foreign websites from Nigeria. I'm also going to show you how you can get this particular card in this video. For the past 2 weeks, I've been trying to make payments online with my Nigerian Naira debit card. But after trying all the 3 cards I have in my position, none of them was able to make payments online on foreign websites. So I decided to make a research on how I can get a card that will allow me to make payments and pay for services online on foreign websites. So I came up with this card that you're seeing on your screen. Since I got this card, I have not been able to use this card to make payments online. So I decided to use it in this video and make payments online so that you guys can see if this card was able to solve my problem by making payments online on foreign websites. Meanwhile, if this is your very first time of watching my video, my name is Asuiken Kingsley, and on this channel, I give you tips and solutions on how you can make money online and some other tips that help you solve your minor and major problem in your online space. We're actually going to pay for a 2 service which costs $28.80. That's almost $29. But before we use this new card, which is our Access Bank dollar card, okay, we're going to first of all use our Nigerian Naira debit card and make payment so that I will show you the error message that comes up whenever you make payments online on foreign websites with your Nigerian Naira debit card. So we're going to first of all use my Zenith Bank Naira debit card and try and make payment. As you can see, there's PayPal. I have connected my Zenith Bank debit card to my PayPal and I try using my PayPal and it's not working. Okay, let's try and first of all use the PayPal and try and make payment and see what it's going to tell us. We're trying to log in and make payment with PayPal. My Zenith Bank card has already been connected with this PayPal account. So I'm going to log in into this PayPal. It's asking me for my password. Let me put my password and log in. Agree and continue. Processing. As you guys can see, it came up with an error message. It's saying funding instrument in the PayPal account was declined by the processor or bank, or it can't be used for this payment. Okay, although I have already linked my card to my PayPal account, but this payment did not go. So now we're going to use this card and make payment, which is my Zenith Bank card directly. I'm going to put all the information about my country, which is Nigeria. Put my street address, put all the information, region, Lagos, card number, expiring date, put your postcode. Let's try and see. Click on submit. Came up with an error message again. Error, declined. So the same thing that happened to this Zenith Bank card is also the same thing that happened when I put my Access Bank card, which is the same thing that also happens when I put my First Bank Valve card. So none of them was able to make this payment. But now we're going to use this card, which is still Access Bank dollar card. I'm going to explain to you how you can get this card later in this video. Okay, but now we're going to use this card and try and make payment. Let's see if it's going to work. Let's see if it's going to make this payment of $28.80. I'm going to put all the information about my country, which is Nigeria. Put my street address, put all the information. So now I have put the information on this card and we are going to click submit. Let's see if this payment is going to be successful. Click on submit. Processing. Wow. 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 This payment was successful with this dollar card. As you guys can see, the payment order was successful. Let's close this. Let me close this. I'm going to review later. Your order is complete. Thank you. Simply refresh your browser window on YouTube and you will see that Ikenna Laswa has been upgraded. We strive to make Tubudi the absolute best product for YouTube creators. Please let us know if you ever have any question or comment. Click here to go back to your account. Okay, let's go back and see. You see, my account has been upgraded. Account is now active. Okay. Meanwhile, for those of you that don't know what Tubody is an online platform that helps YouTube creators to put the best title for their video, the best tags and thumbnail and so many other features that enables you to reach a bigger audience. Okay. Tubody actually helps your video to be ranked on YouTube. So I'll put a link in the description below this video in case if you would like to sign up for TubeBuddy. So let me explain to you guys how I was able to get this card. As you guys can see, we walked through this. This is why I've been trying this card to make this payment for the past 2-3 weeks. Okay. Now I got this card by just going to Access Bank and requesting for a dollar card. And now they told me I will have a dollar account before I can have a dollar card. You can also get this in some other banks like Zenith and EcoBank. Every other Nigerian bank issues this card. Once you're able to open a dollar account, some will still give you a prepared dollar card. So if you want to get this card, you can walk into your bank, any of your bank, and tell them you want a dollar card that can be able to make payments online. Some banks will tell you to open a domiciliary account for you to get a dollar card. For you to open a domiciliary account, you have to bring your passport photograph, your means of identification, your name, you already know national identity number, okay? Means of identification should be any valid ID, voter's card, international passport, driving license, or national ID. Now you bring two reference that has current account or company account. Once you provide two reference and all these things that I mentioned in this video, you will get a dollar account and they will issue you a dollar card that can make payment online that is linked to that dollar account. So as you guys can see, I was able to make payment with this card in this video. If you have any question, please feel free to drop it in the description below this video. Meanwhile, if this is your very first time of seeing my video and you would like to be seeing videos like this from this channel, please consider hitting the subscription button and also the bell button so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Please don't forget to like this video so that other people can be able to see this video and also know how they can get cards that they can use to make payments on foreign and international websites. And don't forget, in case if you like to create your own TubeBuddy account, I will leave the link in the description below this video. And for those of you that would like to know how to create a verified PayPal account that can send and receive money in Nigeria, I will leave a video up here so that you guys can watch that video. Make sure you watch that video if you want to know how to create a verified PayPal account that can send and receive money in Nigeria and Africa. Okay, so I will see you guys in my next video. You guys should stay creative and remain blessed.